Imagine you are asked a simple question by your security team. Which devices have 7-zip application installed? With discovered applications, you can probably answer that, but what if they ask where it is installed? When was it installed? How large it is? Is it installed for a device or just for a specific user? What is the uninstall command? So that's where Microsoft new enhanced app inventory comes in. And in today's video, I will show you why this feature is a game changer for Intune administrators, how it is different from traditional discovered app reports, and finally, how you can configure it in your environment. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are managing Windows devices with Microsoft Intune, having accurate software inventory is critical for security, compliance, troubleshooting, and asset management. For years, we have been relying on discovered apps to identify applications installed on managed devices. While it gets the job done, many administrators have wanted deeper visibility into their application states. Microsoft has now introduced Enhanced App Inventory, also known as Intune Inventory for Windows devices, which provides richer and more detailed application metadata than the traditional discovered application experience. Now let's talk about why did Microsoft introduce enhanced app inventory. So the biggest challenge with software inventory is that simply knowing an application name and version is not always enough. Organization need more information for security investigations, software audits, license compliance, application rationalization, troubleshooting installation issues, and vulnerability management. Microsoft designed Enhanced App Inventory to provide a complete picture of installed applications on Intune managed Windows devices. In fact, Microsoft stated that App Inventory is the intended long term replacement for discovered apps, although both features currently exist side by side. Now, let's talk about the discovered apps versus enhanced app inventory. So, discovered apps is great for answering what applications are installed. Typically, you will see application name, publisher, and version, and that's all about it. It is useful for quick visibility, but limited when you need deeper insights. On the other hand, enhanced app inventory takes things much further. In addition to the standard application information, it can collect the installation location, install date, estimated size, architecture, install scope, platform specific app ID, user scope information, and additional application metadata. So instead of simply knowing that an application exists, you gain visibility into where it is installed, when it is installed, how it was installed, who installed it, additionally applications details for troubleshooting and reporting purpose. Think of it this way, discovered app is equivalent to application list, but enhanced app inventory is equivalent to application intelligence. Now let's talk about the inventory collection. One of the improvement in enhanced app inventory is how data is reported back to the Intune. Instead of sending complete inventory information every time, Microsoft uses delta uploads, meaning only changes are uploaded whenever applications are added, updated, or replaced. This provides several benefits like faster reporting, reduced network traffic, more efficient inventory collection, and better scalability for large environment. And another important difference is that discovered apps works automatically, whereas enhanced application inventory required configuration. So with enhanced app inventory, admin must create and assign a policy before device start reporting application data. So this gives administrator more control over what application properties are collected within the organization. Now, before jumping into the demo, talk about some of the real world use cases of enhanced inventory. So think about a scenario where your security team wants to know which devices have WinRAR installed and where it is installed. Enhance app inventory can provide much richer details. When your audit team wants to know when was this application installed, Enhance app inventory can help you to provide the installation date information. When your endpoint team wants to know why this application consuming so much disk space, Enhance app inventory can provide you the estimated size information which can help you to investigate further. When your packaging team wants to know how we can uninstall a particular application, Enhance app inventory metadata can provide you the uninstallation information that your packaging team can use and create an uninstallation package. Now it's time to jump into the Intune portal and see how exactly we can configure the Enhance app inventory and assign it to the devices. So right now I am on my client machine, and if you go to the Intune portal and select the devices, and if you select Windows devices and select any device, and now we can see that we have an option under the reports called discovered apps. Let me click on this. And here we can see that we have a very basic information like application name, application version. So discovered app is only giving you a very basic information. And in top, we also have a information. This report is being replaced by the all apps page. You can start using the new page now. And you can see this is the new all app page. You can click on this. And now this is the app inventory. Now you can see that as of now there is no data for app inventory, but if you click on the managed app, now we can see that we have a lot of application deployed as a managed application on these devices. To get the app inventory information, we have to create a property catalog policies. And if you click on this, you can see that as of now, there is no information available for this device. So what we have to do, we just need to create a property catalog. And to do this, we have to go to the devices, and then we have to go to the Windows devices, and then we have to create a configuration profile. And within configuration profile, you have to create a new policy, and platform is Windows 10 and later, and profile type is property catalog, and click on create. You have to give it a name. Let me give enhance app inventory, same thing in the description. Click on next, and now here you have to click on add properties. And now here you can see that the first option is talking about the application property. So expand this option, and now you can see what all you want to collect from the device. So you can collect app name, app version, architecture, estimated size bytes, install date time, install location, install scope platform user ID, install scope user ID, install scope username, language, modified command, platform specific app ID, platform specific app ID type, publisher and uninstall. You can select as per the requirement. For now, I'll just select everything, and I want to just collect every property for each application, and then you can click on select, and you can see that by default the refresh interval for these properties is 24 hours. And click on next, and then you have to assign this. So I can assign this to all devices, or you can also create an specific group for testing purpose and assign this. So let me include all devices and click on next and click on create. Now we have successfully created the enhance app inventory policy. So it will take 24 hours to get the data in Intune portal, and then we will see what all information we are getting. After 24 hours, when you go to the device and select all applications and go to the app inventory, Now we can see that we are getting the detailed information about the application inventory. We can see that 351 application information is now collected from the device, and this is the last check-in date. And by default, it is showing you few information like name, publisher, version, installed for, username, and install date. You can add more columns like architecture, estimated size, installed location, language, last updated, modified command, package name, SID, uninstall command, user enter ID, and MSI product version code. You can see that the installation location is this. We are not getting any install command for this application. If you check this now for MSI application, we are getting the uninstall command line, and we are also getting the uninstall command line from some other applications. For Git application, this is the uninstallation command line, and you can also see the modified command line estimated date. And if you are interested to know what is happening when you are deploying a property catalog on the device, I already explained everything in this video, including the registry information, file and folder information, services information, and many more things. So that's all for this video, and I will see you soon in my next video.